don't know where it is. You have to find it in the comments. Let me know where the comments are. And this is a T-Rex.
That's a T-Rex, yeah?
Uh-huh. And a Playdoh, Mosasaurus. Mosasaurus.
And so is this our secret dinosaur?
Mm-hmm.
This is our secret dinosaur.
I'm going to draw a tool mark on him.
You're going to draw a tool mark? Are you excavating him? Why don't you open him up and show everybody what he is?
No.
No?
It's not in the toy video.
That's not what you want to do in your toy video?
We can't see what his tail is filled with surprises.
Taking the Play-Doh off. What's underneath?
Surprise! A tail!
A tail. Whose tail?
Spinosaurus.
Are you sure it's a Spinosaurus?
We gotta find him.
Gotta find out. I see a spine. You might be right.
We're gonna make a big mess.
That's okay.
Don't do this, other kids. It's really bad. You make a big mess.
Who has to clean up the big mess after the mess is made?
We have to clean it up.
Who's we?
Me.
And?
And
who are you?
I'm EY.
Yeah. And who
I
else?
have to open the surprise egg.
Who else helps you clean up the mess?
Mama.
Yeah.
Which is doing your comment below. Leave your comments if you know who this is. We don't know. It could be Spinosaurus or a Baryonyx. We don't know what fish eater it could be. Leave it in the comments so we can know.
Let's see it. Hold it up. Whoa, that's a cool dino.
We don't know what it is. There's a surprise.
That's our surprise dino.
Baryonyx.
Sweet. I think so too.
Or a Spinosaurus.
Well done, buddy. He's cool.
Or Suchomimus.